The VJOYCAR newest 8.8-inch 4K HD rear display is a premium upgrade for Tesla Model Y and Model 3 owners who want to elevate rear seat entertainment and comfort. Powered by a fast and stable Qualcomm chipset, this Android 13.0 system supports 4K video playback and popular streaming apps. It features 4-direction air vent control for backseat airflow, and allows both single and dual-handle gaming for a more interactive ride. With 4GB RAM and 32GB ROM, the IPS 1280x800 display delivers vibrant visuals and smooth performance. The unit supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, plus full control over rear seat temperature, heated seat activation, airspeed, and multimedia functions. It even detects when rear passengers are absent and powers off automatically in 5 minutes, or instantly with a manual tap. Installation is plug-and-play, non-destructive, and takes only minutes. The screen supports multiple global languages and OTA updates, making it future-proof and user-friendly. Designed to work with various Tesla models from 2016 to 2024, it comes with 3 cable versions for compatibility.